Did you know a 1970s protein revelation quietly reshaped how we eat after 30 and beyond? This lesser-known pivot showed that pairing plant proteins could give the body a complete amino acid balance without animal staples. Scene 1 follows a crowded lab where researchers realize simple combinations unlock complete protein power for mature bodies. Scene 2 shows doctors advising midlife patients to balance beans, grains, and nuts to protect heart and liver as they age. Scene 3 reveals how these ideas evolved into today's age-tailored menus for 30s, 40s, and 50s. Scene 4 captures a patient discovering heart-friendly meals and liver-friendly choices as they feel steadier energy and clearer focus. Scene 5 seals the lesson that long life isn't magic but smart protein timing and careful food choices across decades.